Welcome back to Stock and Crypto. In today's video, we're talking about Opendoor, what's driving its move today, the numbers you need to know, and what could happen next. But first, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe so you never miss an update. Opendoor is up 6.28% today, trading between 2.22 cents on the low end and 2.67 on the high. Volume is strong with over 200 million shares traded compared to an average of about 299 million. We're around 10 minutes away from the market close, so that gives you a sense of how active things have been. The main reason for this jump isn't news from the company itself, but optimism about possible interest rate cuts. July's CPI numbers came in better than expected, with month-over-month at 0.2% and year-over-year at 2.7% compared to the 2.8% forecast. This challenges earlier warnings that tariffs would push inflation higher, something Powell had mentioned before. Now the market is pricing in a 25 basis point rate cut for the September 17th meeting and sees a 60.5% chance of another 25 basis point cut on October 29th. Many traders would love to see a total 75 basis point cut, but that will depend on upcoming data. Lower rates are generally good for growth stocks, and Opendoor fits right into that category. Even though there's no direct news from Opendoor today, there's a bit of a short squeeze element. Shorts are returning about 3.57 million shares, and short interest sits at 23.49% of the free float, which is around 153 million shares. That's not even counting any naked shorting, if you believe that's happening. Interestingly, the cost to borrow is flat at zero, which means some brokers aren't charging anything to short the stock. That's rare and could be a sign of some behind-the-scenes manipulation. Options activity is leaning bullish today, with $21 million in calls, $3.43 million in puts, and 47% of all options trades being on the bullish side. Bulls are aiming for a price between 3 and 350.70, while bears are looking for a drop to around 2 to 250s. Dark pool trading is very active, which is often used by hedge funds and short sellers, and there's a lot of algorithmic trading in the market today, likely fueled by the overall optimism. Right now, the stock is trading at about 244 cents, sitting on a key pivot point at 245 cents. If it can close above that, there's a chance it could retest 414 cents. The chart shows a period of consolidation, and the stochastic RSI is oversold, which means if buying momentum comes in, whether from market optimism or unexpected company news, we could see a strong move higher. There haven't been any new analyst ratings or major news articles today, but market sentiment seems to be turning positive. With high short interest, bullish options flow, and favorable macro conditions, things could get interesting. So what's your move? Are you buying, selling, or holding Opendoor? And do you think it could turn into a true short squeeze? This video is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions.